Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this application of Relive and you will enter. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage and you will click here. After that you will click on Killer Cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.